So we're just about to start a new project. So we cleared this a little while ago, year and a bit now must be. Took out about 100 square meters of roadies, and reduced the levels to get rid of that matting. You can see there, it's pretty thick, about 300 mils. So and now we're going to start installing these round screws, but we're in sand all the way down, over a meter. I got these from a company online. They provided this bar and this manual fitting tool, but the bar they fitted or provided doesn't fit that hole, it's too big. They said it was the new star, and I got sent the wrong bar. So using an old masonry drill bit, about a meter I reckon, just 900 or so, and an old stainless steel exhaust tube, and round we go. It's really biting now. This is just a test one anyway. So, but I've got another pole which is a bit longer, which I'll try, but it's moving, and that's about the height. What's that? 200 mil. That's going to be about the height anyway. So this is just a test to see how the groundwork, how the screw performs. And it's reasonably level, but I've wetted the ground a bit because it just wasn't biting, and because it is sand all the way. But wetted the ground a bit and used sledgehammer, gave it a bit of a persuasion, and then it started to break through the whatever was in the way. But it's gone in, and yeah, I haven't got a test rig, a pull test rig, but it's not going to come out that easily now. The first two attempts, I'll get that back in, come on, there we go. The first two attempts I got down about 300, 400 mil there, and you could just lift it out with your hand. Didn't have any resistance to it whatsoever. But this one is pretty stuck in there, which is good, because what it can do with a pull test, you could do a simple calculation and it gives you the compressive strength of it as well. So I've been told, not that I'm a structural engineer, but that's worked quite well. So I will upload some more, and I'll try to get better at my videoing, but that's where it's going to go. Only about 30, I reckon. The space is going to be about 8 meters by 6 meters. But I think it's quite a nice outlook. There's the other project we did during lockdown, and a few more around there that I'll share with you one day.